Celebrating a lifetime dedicated to manufacturing excellence, T. Manju Prasad, Managing Director of Venkateswara Engineering Works, was honored as a manufacturing maestro in Bengaluru by Jacob Crasta, Managing Director, CM Envirosystems, and Amit Salunkhe, General Manager, ZOLLER India and Middle East. For over 3 decades, Venkateswara Engineering Works has been enabling India's manufacturing ecosystem through precision-engineered tooling and machining solutions. At the helm of this journey is T. Manju Prasad, whose commitment to quality, customer trust, and continuous improvement earned him recognition as a manufacturing maestro.
So I was the first person to come over here, and done a great job.
Last year we celebrated 6 events, many different cities, 22 plus Maestros, and this series will be continued for further.
Only Harishankar in the machine maker is identified specifically such kind of developing MSMEs and awarding is a great job done by Harishankar. I would like to congratulate him.
Very good gathering, and the presentation was excellent. And I appreciate the way that you have done this whole program, and I wish you good luck for the next event. Hope to see you soon.
Manufacturing Maestro is always a great event for all the visitors and viewers. It's really a great support from machine maker to really give right solutions to the audience, to customers from machine maker platform.